Stuart, the Bank of Japan is the new governor, and today he basically bet the house on reviving the Japanese economy, which has been in the doldrums, as everybody knows, for the last 20 years or so. A raft of measures aimed at getting the economy going again. What exactly has he done?
Well, it's an across-the-board attack, as you said. He's, for the first time, made an explicit inflation target of 2% within 2 years. He's doubling the monetary base. He's increasing the amount of bond purchases across the yield curve, long-dated bonds, medium, etc., in order to keep interest rates extremely low. Right. And he's basically said we'll do everything it takes to reflate the Japanese economy, which has had flat or declining prices now ever since the bubble burst on December the 31st, 1989.
Right. Is it going to work?
Well, this is obviously the 340 trillion yen question, and the answer is no one knows.
Right.
No one still knows whether it has worked in the US or the UK. Interestingly, it's a very large program, but no larger actually as a percentage of net debt than the UK's quantitative easing program. Right. And the difference, I guess, is the Japanese economy is far less dynamic than the US and the UK. You still have a demographic problem, you've got an immigration problem, you've got huge excess savings, you've got companies that return very low returns on equity. Japan still has huge structural issues that, you know, pulling no matter how hard on the monetary lever doesn't solve.
Right. Now, this is the fourth of the big central banks to adopt unconventional measures. The US, Eurozone, UK, Japan. I mean, with all these central banks doing these unconventional things, this really can't go on. This is keeping sentiment, markets, economies alive artificially.
Well, there's no question that when you have extremely low interest rates, you have extremely low discount rates, and hence asset prices love it. And that's why markets have been going up, and that's why house prices have been going up, and all the rest of it. Yeah. The even bigger question than will it work is how you reverse it once it starts working. We don't know the answer to that. And then, of course, by any other name, you now have a dash for the bottom in terms of currencies. And there is no question that Japan will benefit from the weaker yen, and there will be implications for other countries where that hurts.
So Mr. Kuroda, the central bank governor in Japan, has unveiled his big bazooka today, just like everybody else has done. Let's see if it works. Thanks, Stuart.